Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a very easy explanation and how-to tutorial about using Pinterest. First thing first, let's launch the app and let's presume that you already created a brand new account on Pinterest. How are you gonna use Pinterest? You wanna understand that Pinterest is a different type of social media. This is where their everything relation towards a particular theme. There is nothing random. If you click on a picture from someone or pin from someone, all the page will be for the same exact topic, subject, or genre. For example, if you click on this tech, everything here will be about tech. If you click on this one over here, the Rolex watch, everything will be about watches. And if you can see over here, somebody is actually selling it. Somebody is utilizing the function to actually sell products through Pinterest. So the way you want to use Pinterest is by promoting your product or service or promoting your passion. Some people just have passion about collecting stuff, old money, right? Or you might have a passion to collect old bottles from something, right? This is the way how you actually build. As you can see, people are sharing the same exact passion. They have multiple different bottles of old or new perfumes over here, right? People sharing passion and people go about creating a communities. So this is not your average Reddit post, or this is not your average Instagram where you just scroll through the images on your feed and you don't even bother about who is publishing them, right? This is where you can actually build your own community. For example, when you try to create a brand new pin for your brand new account, let's say we want to upload this picture over here, right? You want to click on this picture, and what you want to actually do is you want to niche down the actual settings. You want to make sure that this is go in front of the right people. For example, if you are selling a product or service, you can simply find the product or service. You can tag, you can link the product or service over here to your website or to your Shopify store or whatever platform you're using to host your store. But very important is that you can actually tag related topics. For example, let's say we are selling watches as well, right? So we can simply Google, and there you have it. You can simply tag luxury watches, and your tag will simply appear under this section. This means that you will be able to place your product or service in front of the exact audience, and all this will be for free. Usually you have to pay on Facebook using Facebook ads to get the very segmented audience. Also, very important thing is that when you're actually using the Pinterest, you will be able, right, to go straight to the page where you can find the product. Like I mentioned, let's say you saw this one, right? You're one click away to go to the actual product right away. It's very easy for you to make sales. It's very easy for you to find what you're looking for. Another example over here, somebody is passionate about, styling, making, clothes, aligning them with the colors or with particular patterns. And people are passionate about this as well. So this is why simply they could, follow the trends, and they could, go back and find inspiration. Because at the end of the day, this is where people are actually storing items, right? See, I have a bunch of watches recommendations. This is why when you sign up for Pinterest, it is very important for you to pick the 5 niches that you're truly interested. Don't pick random stuff. Don't pick something generic that you think that other people will pick, because you don't want to be in the feed where you see stuff that you're not interested, and you went there simply because you thought that there is the highest volume, or there is more popular items or popular people over there. You want to go only where there is some interest from your side. You see, watches people are everywhere, and it's cool because I'm passionate about watches and I enjoy seeing new watches. And it's not only expensive watches. As you can see, if you're passionate about watches, there are watches that are not so expensive, right? There are watches that are simply nice timepieces, and you can get inspiration, and you can simply make a decision to get something. Look at this watch. It looks like Patek Philippe, but it isn't, right? This is simply inspiration of particular item. So you want to make sure that you're utilizing Pinterest in a different way than any other social media out there, because you can extract much more value from it. You can get inspired not only to get more clients for your business, but you might get inspired to create a brand new hobby or start a new business simply by looking at the content, looking what other people in the same niche or industry are doing. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.